Hi, it's Ian Thompson, 60 Seconds with Ian. Today we're going to go a little bit deeper on 60 Seconds so I can give you an overview of when you're buying a condominium. See, the main thing that when you're thinking about buying a condominium is to be thinking about the building itself rather than the unit. Obviously, the unit's nice, it's got new flooring and carpet, that's great. But the building is what you're buying into. So I made this chart to help people understand what it means about special assessments and price. So the higher price you pay for a stratified property, you should have fewer special assessments. You know, a new building that's $600,000 for a condominium and there's a 10-year warranty, and the odds of your special assessment should be very low. Now, the price of another condominium that you're going to buy might be $300,000. So the odds of a special assessment could be, and probably will be, quite a bit higher. So how is the building itself, how's the Strata Council managing the building? That's the question you want to be asking if it's 40 or 50-year-old building. Hey, it's just like your knees and your shoulders, right? After 50, you got to get work done on them. And so a condominium building is the same thing. So are they saving enough money? How much money is in the contingency reserve fund? What does the depreciation report look like? Because if it's a 40-plus-year-old building with low amounts in the contingency reserve fund, and the depreciation report says they should be doing something and they're not, it has to be a red flag for you as a buyer, because it's the pay me now or pay me later, right? Higher price, lower special assessment, lower price, higher special assessment. Reach out for more details, okay? It's very important. If you like 60 Seconds with Ian, make sure you go to my YouTube channel and subscribe. And if you'd like to book an appointment with me, just hit the button below and I'll get back to you right away. Okay? Have a great day.